Selamat sejahtera. My name is Yamashita Hiroki and I'm from the University of Southampton, a UK university with a campus here in Malaysia. In this video, I'll be presenting on our innovation called Quizona Chemistry. And my team members for this project are Associate Professor Dr. Ng Johan, Dr. Wong Kok Ho, and Sean Chu from the same university, and Miss Isabel Wong from SMK, Datuk Jafar. Starting with our originality, Quizona Chemistry is known worldwide as the first to include 5 major global education syllabus. They are SPM and UEC from Malaysia, SMA from Indonesia, O-Levels from the UK, and SAT from the US. With over 10,500 questions, or the equivalent of 42 books, it is the largest chemistry app in the world. It also covers 9 of the world's largest languages, including the 4 most spoken in Malaysia. Those would be Bahasa Malaysia, English, Chinese, and Tamil. To stay relevant to the industry, we collaborated with 4 teaching organizations. And through our research, we also found there were no free apps supporting all 5 syllabus on the market. Furthermore, we have won 6 awards in just 7 years, including the latest Best Innovation Award from DSS 2022, awarded by the Malaysian Minister of Higher Education, Datuk Seri Dr. Noraini binti Ahmad. There's also the Science Education Award from Toray, Japan, and 4 other awards. These showed the great potential for our app, and hence we voluntarily filed for 2 intellectual property. Through testing, the app was proven useful in increasing students' intrinsic and extrinsic motivation when evaluated on the Likert scale. Moving on, the applicability of our innovation was highlighted by the pandemic. Since the pandemic in 2019, there were 3 main issues with education. First is hybrid learning, where students struggled to learn at home by themselves. Second is the major change in Malaysia's national curriculum from KBSM to KSSM. And third, students had difficulty maintaining interest in subjects when they are now more interested in using digital devices to play games. Thus, this app aims to leave a positive impact on the next generation through empowerment in learning. So, to solve the 3 problems, we've developed the first KSSM app for the Ministry of Education. We have democratized personalized education for chemistry with our globally available free to everybody app. And we've utilized a new education technique called gamification to make learning chemistry similar to a game. Prior to development, surveys were conducted on Form 4 students, and a substantial demand for free SPM syllabus chemistry app was found. Hence, the app was designed to meet this demand with the addition of gamification to keep students engaged. Since then, the status of the app has reached Technology Readiness Level 9, the highest level, and it is fully commercialized. Scanning the QR code reveals a fully functional app which is readily available on the App Store. In fact, Quizona Chemistry was even used and praised with 1 big thumbs up by the Malaysian Minister of Education, Datuk Dr. Muhammad Razzi Muhammad Chidin. In terms of durability, various app testing was performed before launching so users can have an enjoyable experience. And in terms of commercializability, this app has the advantage because it can be sent out to markets worldwide with a single click. In our research, the potential market in Malaysia is estimated at 400,000 new users annually, but we also have markets abroad. Currently, we have 11,000 users across 102 different countries. This shows the great demand worldwide by both students and teachers. Despite this high demand, the app is completely free. The value of this innovation lies in the educational value rather than monetary. Quizona Chemistry is also recognized as the best for education use when this work has won the Best Research Paper Award from the Southeast Asia Ministry of Education Officers, or SEMEO. Then, the work is further expanded into various publications. This is the only education app in the whole of Malaysia to be recognized and launched by a state education department. In this case, Jabatan Pendidikan Negeri Johor, JPNJ, to officially be used in classrooms by 400,000 secondary school students taking chemistry. So, while it generates no revenue, Quizona Chemistry is still high in demand and high in educational value. Additionally, this technology can also be transferred over to other subjects and educational level. Lastly, before I conclude, let's have a short demo. After pressing Start Quiz, we can select a syllabus and language such as SPM English and be brought to the chapters page tailored for the syllabus. Tapping on one of the chapters will start the game. The gamification elements in our quiz includes the timer, a point system, and a game show-like user interface, creating an exciting atmosphere for learning. Once the students have completed a round, this app provides instant feedback and they can review what they got wrong by tapping on the questions. If they found the round was too easy, they could also change the difficulty in the settings to challenge themselves. A leaderboard system was also implemented to promote friendly competition among students and our international users. So to conclude, our app is proven for use at education level because we've done enough research on it, because 11,000 users from across 102 countries are using the app now, because JPNJ officially use it in schools in Johor, because we've won 6 major awards, gold awards, and because even the Minister of Education, Dato Dr. Muhammad Razi Muhammad Chidin, gave a thumbs up after he used the app. So with that, I'd like to end my presentation with our tagline, don't pay to learn, play to learn. Thank you very much.